Yeah. What is actually stopping us from just going through that door right now?
So you have 3 minutes to finish 3 sleeves of crackers.
Start saving up that spit right now. Let it be known that this is the day I die choking on saltines.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
That's delicious.
Why is that so disgusting? I totally forgot about that. Witness me. You look beautiful. You're supposed to say the same thing about me right now.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Everybody here who knows me knows that I have something to say about everything. But with you, it's hard for me to find the words to describe how I feel about you and how I feel about us. I can only show you through my actions, my care and undying affection. Because today, I utterly surrender all of myself to you. So from today, put all the blame on me, snatch the whole blanket. I'll just sleep in the cold, it's fine.
Amanda, it's so crazy to stand here with you on your wedding day. I remember the first time I met you in 3rd grade. We were 2 new girls who decided at the parachute we were going to be best friends. And look at us today, standing here on your wedding day. Thank you for all of the adventures in life, and I'm so glad that you found your soulmate. I know that wherever life takes you, that you have someone who will take care of you. And Andrew, I thank you and admire you for taking care of my friend and loving her. You are gracious, Amanda. You have one of the biggest hearts. There is no one else who I would fly to Houston for and put together a whole reception hall to make sure she had the wedding of her dreams. And I'm so glad that you found someone just as eclectic, but just as gracious and loving as you.
Andrew, I am so blessed to have you in my life. I'm so thankful to God to have perfectly placed you in my life. You are the light of my life, and when I look at you, my heart smiles and I can't help but smile. I know that whatever adventures we have with you by my side, it's guaranteed to be a good time. From discovering parties and surprising places to roaming the aisles of Goodwill, or even if we had to move to live in the town in the middle of nowhere, please don't. The most important thing is that I'm with you. You bring joy and sunshine wherever you go, and I don't know what I'd do without you. You have such a kind soul that radiates from within you. You show me how to be a better person every day. You see good in people, and you give everyone a chance. You're my chatty Kathy, and I love it.
Look at all of this. Our circle of friends, and our family, all the long nights of hard work to make something beautiful is a testament to what we can do. You asked me recently what I thought we'd be like when we got old, and whether we'd still love each other the same. And at that moment, I had a vision of my future. And the sense for that vision was you.
I commit my life to you as your wife and to serve you as a partner in life. I'm making a commitment to this marriage before you and God. I promise to continue to keep and feed the love that we have for each other. I vow to never take our union as husband and wife for granted, to never give up on us. I promise to be a safe space for your desires and vulnerabilities, and I promise to listen to you with an open mind and an open heart. I promise to encourage, support, and believe in you. I will be there every step of the way, offering all that I have.
I could love you for 1,000 lifetimes and that wouldn't be enough. Because you're a ball of lightning and you're a force of nature. You're a loving human being, a loyal friend, and an absolutely amazing woman. And for the infinite events through the entire history of everything that has brought me here today to you, you're a true blessing. You're my twin flame. And I love you dearly, Amanda Din.